fam! Welcome to another vlog. So another vlog, another country. And now, finally, nakarating na kami sa isa sa aming dream destinations. We're in Switzerland! So, we're here for my birthday celebration and for... Kasi pag tumatanda ka na, parang gusto ko magmuni-muni. We're here for my birthday, my 29th birthday, and for the Valentine's Day celebration. So yeah, join us as we explore this very gorgeous country.
Hey.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
First order of business is to withdraw money because they have different currency. They do not use euro here. Anong tawag sa pera nila? CHF? Ha? So here they use Swiss franc or yung CHF. We got our Swiss franc. Yay! Wow! Where are we, love? Where are we? Yes! So we're just buying our tickets for the bus. It's already here. Let's see if aabot kami. So pagkalabas ng airport nila, they have here parang yung machines for the tickets, where you can buy your bus tickets.
11. Hindi mo talaga madali.
So we're here na sa Basel SBB. Alright. Siyempre, nag-Switzerland kami para macarons. Ang lig pala ng donut. And wow! Go, go, go! We're here at Basel SBB train station. And dito kami sasakay papunta ng Interlaken. May kami ng tickets. And we just bought our tickets. So, yung binili namin ticket ay yung Swiss half fare card na yung 50% off dun sa mga trains, buses sa Transpo, no? Dito.
Yes.
We bought the 1-year card kasi feeling ko babalik kami dito.
Kasi yung difference niya
Sa 1 month. Oo.
20 ba? 40.
May 1 month din kasi. And then, we also bought the tickets there papunta sa Interlaken. And now, we're gonna find the train platform. Let's go! And super helpful and super bait ng staff doon. Nag-asikaso sa amin. Yay! This is our train. Going to Interlaken!
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4. Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So we're now here at Interlaken West.
May baka. Hindi, kasi most likely.
Oh my god, may mga nagpaparagliding.
Uy, dami. Ay, dalawa lang.
Ayun o. Kita nyo? Ganda. Jeez! Hello! So we're now here at Interlaken West and from Basel. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng view. Sobrang ganda ng view sa train. Grabe, sobrang sulit ng train ride. Para ka lang nasa panaginip. Kasi yung view is lake and then mga Alps. So nice.
Actually, sulit yung pamasahe, no? Kasi malayo naman pala.
Yeah, 2
Sobrang layo.
3 hours. 60 Swiss francs. And then 2 hours and a half. Yung biyahe from Basel papuntang Interlaken. So, we cannot wait to explore Switzerland. Let's go. Snacks agad? Gutom ka na, girl.
Ganda ng aso.
Okay, let's go. So, we are on our way sa aming accommodation. And ito yung aming view. Ganda. Bundok-bundok. Daming nagpa-paragliding. Oh. Tara! Paragliding. Okay, so we are on our way sa aming accommodation. And sobrang ganda ng weather. Excited na makapag-settle. And then, para makapag-explore na din kami. Yay! Ito na ba yun? Nice! We're here. Wow. Ano yung check-in? Hello, reception. Ang gara naman ng reception. Huh? Oh, yung cute naman ng wallpaper sa tiny room. Yay! We got our city guest cards. So,
Guest cards for...
for Interlaken. This is our room. And let's check. Cute and great. Ano ba? Hindi ako magmuni-muni dito.
Habang naghuhugas ng kamay.
Naghuhugas ng pinggan. Okay, so let's have a quick room tour. Ito yung aming room. May TV. We have here upuan. Muni-muni. And then may, dito na yung hugasan. Pag kunwari gusto maghilamos or what. And then, ito yung aming kama. So, cute. Tapos ang ganda ng wallpaper. Tapos, meron ditong salamin. Salamin. And then, look at the view.
So yan, check out the view.
Wow. Look at that view. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Wow. It's so nice here. We have the window view. And then, CR. O, diba? Cute lang na amin. So, yan. Ito na yung shower, toilet. And then, that's it.
Oh, guys, hindi mo natatapon yung shower. Kasi...
Finally, nakasettle na kami sa hotel. And now, we're gonna start exploring Switzerland! So, first stop. Saan tayo pupunta, be?
Sa Lake Prince.
Lake Brienz. Puntahan namin
Pero
si
damit ko.
Captain.
Si ate.
Ay, punta namin si Captain. Oh,
Captain.
let's go, let's go, let's go!